I'm here at ICAST 2024 in Orlando, Florida, checking out the latest and greatest fishing gear and tech, and there is a lot here. After this video is over, check out the playlist at the end if you want to see more. Let's jump in.
We are Accuphy from Beijing. With our live sonar, we have embedded the sonar processor inside the transducer. And as a display unit, we use the iOS device. Any iPhone, iPad will do. So for the signal connection, we have two options. One is with hardware, so it's pretty simple. The dongle into the sonar, and you will have a power input hook up to the battery, and this is a standard Ethernet data port. And you can grab any third-party Ethernet dongle, and this one goes to your iPhone or iPad. And we have an app to work with our sonar. Besides this live sonar, we still have a 3-in-1 transducer. It shares a similar architect, also have the processor embedded. So it basically shares the same connection. In our app, we have panoramic view, so you can adjust the range, gain, or the contrast, noise rejection, and also we provide some color map, and we also provide the forward view. Same thing, adjustment can be done, and also down view. Okay, this for 3-in-1, we had side scan, down view, traditional 2D sonar, and we can do combo view.
And so the idea here is that you don't need to have a screen. You can just use your iPhone or your iPad.
Right. So it will give a really portable system and lower the user cost. Except for the hardware connection, we also have the wireless option. This is our Wi-Fi module, so Wi-Fi router. It can hook up to 4 sonar at the same time.
And that makes it wireless, so that way you don't need to plug this cord into the iPad.
Right.
The app will just pick up from that. So like you could mount this on your boat somewhere, have your transducers go into that, and then your iPad. How many devices, how many iPads could you have hooked up to it at once?
Well, at most you can have 4 iOS device connect to 4 sonar. They can run simultaneously.
Can you have 2 iPads looking at the same transducer at the same time?
Well, in that case, we can mirror the image to another iPad.
Cool. And then for the ice fishing community, people that want a really portable unit, what do you have for that?
For that case, we have the smaller single-port Wi-Fi module. Underneath is just a standard third-party battery. The user can use any battery suitable. You can hook up the live sonar to the module and connect the power, and that's it. You can view the image from the iPad or iPhone.
And so this is in development right now. You're making it right now, and you're preparing for go-to-market hopefully later this year. Is that right?
Right.
And if people want to find out more about this, is there someplace they can go online?
Yeah, we have a website. It's accuphy.com, and we will keep update with our field test videos and other extra information out there.